So Robinhood just launched an agentic trading feature where we can use AI agents to analyze markets and actually make trades for us. And why this is so revolutionary is that we can actually connect Robinhood via MCP to AI platforms like Claude Code, Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, Codex, Cursor, and I'm sure there will be more integrations as time goes on. And this is not the typical content that I create on my channel, but I thought this was so interesting and has some major implications in the investing world that I was going to try this myself. So I figured I might as well create a tutorial showing how to set this up in the process. So make sure you stick around for the full video. Now, an important disclaimer here is that this is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and investing involves risk of loss. Always do your own research, consult a licensed professional before investing. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I'm a six-figure AI entrepreneur, and I've been in the marketing industry for over a decade now. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools, automations, even some Claude Code skills, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for that in the video description or pinned comment below. And if you want the AI trading agent skill that I'm going to be showing you in this video, make sure that you join my AI community. It's completely free to join, as I will be dropping that skill inside my community. So first of all, if you've never heard of Robinhood before, this is a very popular brokerage, and you will need to create an account if you don't already have one. I will leave a link to sign up for Robinhood in the video description below if you're interested in testing this out. Personally, I'm more of a Vanguard guy for actual investing, but this is just kind of a test around situation. And I did add about $100 here of buying power for the purposes of this test. But please do not add money that you can afford to lose if you're going to be testing some agentic trading solution. So I just wanted to call that out first. And to access this actual agentic trading feature, you want to click Agentic in the top menu. Another thing to call out is it says beta here. So with that meaning that there's likely bugs, errors, hallucinations. So keep that in mind as well if we're testing this for the first time. Now, in terms of actually integrating this to our AI platform of choice, I'm going to be using Claude Code, as I use Claude Code for about 99% of all my knowledge work. And so what I'm going to do is you would want to copy this link here. I'm going to pull up Claude Code. And if you've never used Claude Code before, but you want to, I'll leave my beginner's guide in the video description below. But you'll notice here I have a prompt ready to go. Please connect the Robinhood Trading MCP. And this URL right here came from right here, right? So where it says connect to Robinhood, I simply copied that link. Now, the next part of this prompt is I said, use this to help. And you'll notice I have a Robinhood support article URL. So I'll leave all of this in the video description below, including this prompt, but I also added the URL for the support article. A lot of times when I'm integrating MCPs from various platforms, I always want to copy and paste the support articles, as that's just going to help Claude Code make this a more seamless integration. And then I also said you will then use my AI trading agent SOP skill to help with strategy on trades. And so I created a skill for the purposes of this video, which again, you can access by joining my free AI community, where essentially this AI trading agent, I have a ton of different, sources and references. This took me probably 15 to 30 minutes to create this full thing. But the idea of this skill is that I want it to monitor political and CEO and executive trading activity, right? Obviously, these people have inside information that we don't have, which is crooked to say the least. But I created this agent to try to monitor all of this insider trading activity and then use that to help the trading agent in Robinhood make the best decisions possible when it comes to trades. That's kind of the idea behind this. But again, you can get this for free. You can ask Claude to analyze it. You can repurpose it to your own investing style. You don't have to use what I'm doing. I'm just doing this as an example here. And so that's where I'm calling out the skill. And then I also said, do not make any trades yet. I first just want to integrate the MCP, confirm it works, and then we can move on to the actual trades. So I'm going to go ahead and click go, and I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this part is done. All right. So while the Robinhood trading MCP was successfully added to my Claude Code setup, there's still some authentication steps that I need to go through in order to get this up and running. As you'll see right here, it says two things needed before it's live: reloading Claude Code and completing OAuth, which is just authentication steps on desktop. And so what I did is, first of all, I reloaded Claude Code. I asked it to generate a prompt with some context here, copied that into a fresh chat, and then here it's telling me now the authentication process. OAuth flow started. Here's what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL. I'm going to minimize Claude Code. Let's pull up a fresh tab on my browser. I'm going to paste that URL into my browser, click enter, and then let's see what happens with the authentication steps here. So here it says unlock Agentic trading. So it looks like I'm onto the right step here. So I'm going to click continue. And then here it's going to give me options to open an Agentic trading account, right? Just some terms and conditions stuff. I'm going to click agree and continue. And now it's going to start opening my account. All right, so now it's asking to transfer money. And unfortunately, it looks like the money that I had, the $100, didn't go into that individual account. This is a whole separate account, kind of like a crypto account, I'm starting to realize here. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm actually going to check my banking account, and I'm going to add $100 into my new Agentic account. So Agentic individual, let's do just once. I'm going to click review transfer. And it looks like, okay, let's go ahead and transfer. So the transfer is starting to work successfully. So now I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this part is done. And then here is that initial deposit. So now I'm going to click continue. And now it's wanting me to grant access from Claude to Robinhood, right? So here I need to go through, and you can read through any of this stuff that you want, but it looks like this is correct. This is correct. I'm going to go ahead and just click allow. All right, so now it's asking me for another authentication step. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Robinhood app on my phone and then enter in, or excuse me, just verify that this is correct. All right, so I went ahead and accepted that on my phone here, and then it took me to a local host URL. So I'm going to go ahead and actually copy this into Claude Code. A lot of times when I get stuck and frustrated here, guys, I'll come back and it mentions something about a local host right here. It says that may show a can't connect error. That's expected and fine. Copy the full URL from the address bar and paste it back to me. Okay, so I'm going to say here is the full URL. And then I'm going to paste it back here and then click go. And then let's see what Claude Code helps with next. All right, so now it's telling me to authorize another URL. So I'm going to copy this. Let's go back into my web browser here. I'm going to paste that URL. All right, and then I get an authorization successful message. So I'm going to exit this. Let's go back to Claude Code. And now let's tell it, okay, it says authorization successful. And then I'm going to just let Claude Code know that the authorization was successful. And here it says authorization landed. The real Robinhood tools are now loaded. So here it's actually pulling in the fields via that MCP connection. So I know this is working as it's calling Robinhood successfully with actions like get account, get portfolio, get equity positions. Here it's bringing in my Agentic account with $100 that you remember that I added to that account. And so now it's going to ask me to walk through all this. So I'm going to pause here and then I'm going to continue here shortly. All right, and so after several minutes of going through this with Claude Code, it was essentially asking for all my different trading preferences and, when it should not trade, when it should trade, how much cash, fractional shares, right? And again, I'm new to trading. I don't trade. So all of this stuff was new to me as I was going through this. But long story short, those funds that I transferred here of the $100, I'm not able to trade right now because those funds are still settling. And so what I've instructed it to do is starting tomorrow when the markets open, so that would be Wednesday, June 10th, as I'm recording this video, that would be tomorrow, I've instructed it to go through and actually start trading. So I'm going to have to unfortunately fast forward this video to tomorrow and then actually initiate this and then review the results and then come back to you guys after I see those trading results. But you'll see right here what it also did in the meantime is it created an AI trading agent trade log. So it's going to automatically log all of these trades just in a markdown file under that same folder. I didn't even instruct it to do that. It just took the initiative and started doing that on its own. But I actually asked for a prompt in this chat here. I went ahead and asked for a prompt that I'm going to copy. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to paste that into Claude Code in a fresh chat, and that will initiate this actual trading sequence. So I'm going to skip ahead and wait till tomorrow now. So as I've fast forwarded this to tomorrow, you'll see I'm wearing a new shirt here. My Robinhood Agentic agent is officially connected and running. You'll see it's already bought 4 stocks today at market open. I did add another $100 in here. I had an extra $100 floating around in another Robinhood account, so I just transferred that over. So I am up 33 cents today so far at market open. And so far, it purchased a couple insurance stocks. It purchased Norwegian Cruise Line. And again, these are all based on the parameters and the skill markdown file that I have set in Claude Code, right? So it's monitoring high-level executives, CEOs, politicians, looking at their trading activity, and then making its best judgment based on that. And you'll see it is connected here, right? It says Claude. So if I want to disconnect it, I could click disconnect, add Codex, Cursor, ChatGPT, or whatever other integrations are available to me. And if we pull up Claude Code, remember yesterday, I said I was going to copy this prompt, paste it into a fresh chat, and initiate that trading agent. And that's exactly what I've done here, right? So this is autonomous now. Now I've set up a little cron job in the background where I do have to be active, like my computer in Claude Code has to be open for this AI agent to make trades, whether that's buying or selling something, but it is autonomously doing things now. As you'll see here, it's going through the different stocks that it bought with the fractional shares, and everything is monitored on this trade log. So if we look at this trade log here, there's a lot of information. I mean, you could ask Claude to summarize this trade log if you really want to. You'll see here something about an executive chair or, a CEO or, a politician making a move, right? So again, it's looking at those executives and politician and their trading activity. And then every time it makes a trade, whether that's buying or selling, it's going to add that into this trade log and provide a continuous feedback loop so it keeps learning and ideally improving its decisions as time goes on here. But again, this is now live and running. Obviously 38 cents, 39 cents isn't a huge sample size as I just started this today, but I'm going to keep going through this honestly until it runs out of money. This is money that I can afford to lose. That's why I threw it in for the test of this video, and I hope you guys appreciate that. But again, do not put money into a agentic beta, feature in Robinhood that you can afford to lose. I would just assume that they're more likely to lose that money than you are to make that money. But I'm curious to see, what's going to happen as this goes on. And the best part about this is you can reiterate and provide feedback, right? So let's say I don't like the options here that it's buying with insurance companies or Norwegian Cruise Line. Let's say I want to come in here, and I want to, where's that chat here? I was going through this earlier before I hit record. I was basically saying maybe have more emphasis on military or defense stocks, right? Particularly the drone sector, or, just giving it little tidbits where it's going to look more closely at a certain sector versus just relying on the actual trades of politicians and executives. So you can come in here and get as granular as you possibly want to. But again, the purpose of this video is I just wanted to show you what this new feature is, how to set it up with Claude Code. And honestly, I think this has some massive implications in the investing and trading environment. So if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Again, I'm not a huge trader. I lack a lot of knowledge in the trading space. All of my investments are automated through Vanguard, so I don't really participate in this activity. But I thought that this update from Robinhood with agentic trading was super cool. I want to test it out. Maybe I'll make a few bucks along the way just to see what happens, but just watch as more brokerages and platforms and potentially other vibe-coded apps are going to come out just like this with agentic trading solutions. And if you appreciated this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Also leave me a comment below. I'm curious what you guys think about this, or just think about the topic of this video. And again, if you want that skill that I showed you at the beginning and how to set this all up, be sure to join my AI Marketing Insiders community. Completely free to join. I'll leave the skill and everything else in here for free members, so make sure you find that link in the video description below. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.